Reheated leftovers save time and reduce waste. But for seniors, the convenience can come at a hidden cost. Scientific research shows that certain foods, when reheated incorrectly or stored too long, can create compounds linked to cancer, neurodegeneration, and other chronic illnesses. Because the aging body is more susceptible to oxidative stress, inflammation, and impaired detoxification, seniors must be especially vigilant. Explores 5 everyday foods that pose the greatest risks when reheated, why those risks are amplified in adults over 60, and how to handle each food safely without giving up the dishes you love. The physiology of aging and reheated food hazards. 5 high-risk foods, science, dangers, and safer practices. General leftover guidelines for seniors. Myth-busting Q&A. Conclusion and on-screen calls to action. Chapter 1. Why reheated foods behave differently in the senior body. 1.1 Slower detox pathways. The liver and kidneys naturally decline in efficiency with age, when reheating forms harmful byproducts like nitrosamines or advanced glycation end products ages. Seniors clear them more slowly, raising cumulative exposure. 1.2 Compromised gut barrier. Older adults often experience reduced stomach acid and a thinner intestinal lining, making it easier for foodborne toxins to enter the bloodstream. 1.3 Increased oxidative stress. Mitochondrial function wanes, and antioxidant defenses, e.g., glutathione, drop. Reheated foods that generate free radicals can overwhelm these weakened defenses, contributing to DNA damage and protein misfolding linked to dementia. Chapter 2. The 5 foods most dangerous to reheat. Food number 1. Cooked rice. 2.1 Why rice turns risky. Bacillus cereus spores survive boiling. Left at room temperature, they germinate, producing toxins that resist further heat. These toxins cause vomiting and diarrhea, but also induce oxidative stress in neuronal tissue. Reheating above 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, kills vegetative cells, but not the heat-stable toxin cerulide. 2.2 Cancer and dementia links. Repeated low-grade cerulide exposure in animal studies triggers mitochondrial swelling and neuronal cell death mechanisms, also seen in Alzheimer's progression. 2.3 Senior safe strategy. Rapid chill rice within 1 hour in shallow containers. Reheat only once to steamy hot, greater than 75 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Discard rice older than 24 hours, even if refrigerated. Food number 2. Potatoes. 2.4 Starch chemistry 101. During cooling, potato starch retrogrades into resistant starch, a gut-friendly fiber. But if potatoes sit in the danger zone, 5 to 60 degrees Celsius or 41 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, Clostridium botulinum and other spore formers thrive in the oxygen-poor interior. 2.5 Acrylamide formation. Reheating, especially pan-frying or air-frying, drives the Maillard reaction between asparagine and sugars, forming acrylamide, a probable human carcinogen linked to colon and endometrial cancers. 2.6 Senior safe strategy. Store baked or boiled potatoes unpeeled in the fridge less than or equal to 48 hours. Reheat by steaming or microwaving with a splash of water, never refrying. Pair with vitamin C-rich veggies, broccoli, peppers, to counteract free radicals. Food number 3. Leafy greens, spinach and kale. 2.7 Nitrate nitrite nitrosamine chain. Leafy greens accumulate nitrates from soil. Post-cooking, bacteria convert nitrates to nitrites. High heat then transforms nitrites to nitrosamines, potent carcinogens associated with gastric and esophageal cancers. 2.8 Cognitive impact. Nitrosamines cross the blood-brain barrier, promoting insulin resistance in the brain, a pathway nicknamed type 3 diabetes, for its role in dementia. 2.9 Senior safe strategy. Cook greens a la minute. Prepare only what you will eat. If leftovers are unavoidable, cool within 30 minutes and eat cold, e.g., frittata, rather than reheating. Add vitamin E olive oil and polyphenol lemon juice to inhibit nitrosamine formation. Food number 4. Chicken and turkey. 2.10 Protein oxidation. Poultry proteins rich in cysteine and methionine oxidize during storage, creating protein carbonyls that heighten systemic inflammation, and are linked to cognitive decline. 2.11 Heterocyclic amines, HCAs. Microwaving or pan-searing chilled cooked poultry quickly pushes surface temps above 150 degrees Celsius, generating HCAs, classified by WHO as possible carcinogens. 2.12 Senior Safe Strategy. Slice leftover poultry before refrigerating so it cools evenly. Reheat low and slow, oven 150 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Fahrenheit. 15 minutes, or use sous vide at 60 degrees Celsius. Combine with rosemary or turmeric. Their antioxidants quench HCAs. Food number 5. Mushrooms. 2.13 Protein structure sensitivity. Mushrooms contain delicate fungal proteins that degrade into aminated compounds when reheated, burdening the liver's ammonia detox pathways. 2.14 Memory matters. These amines trigger microglial activation in lab studies, a hallmark of neuroinflammation tied to Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. 2.15 Senior Safe Strategy. Sauté mushrooms right before serving. If storing, keep it less than or equal to 4 degrees Celsius and consume within 12 hours. Never microwave. Opt for gentle stovetop reheating under 80 degrees Celsius with moisture. Chapter 3. Universal Leftover Rules for Adults 60 plus. 2-hour rule. Refrigerate perishables within 2 hours, 1 hour if room. 32 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. 1-inch depth. Store in shallow containers for rapid cooling. FIFO. First in, first out. Label with date and eat oldest first. 165 degrees Fahrenheit golden reheat temp. Use a food thermometer. Steam must rise. One-time reheat limit. Reheat only once. Discard what remains. Moist heat over dry heat. Steam or sauce prevents char that forms carcinogens. Chapter 4. Myth-busting Q&A. Question: does adding salt kill leftover bacteria? A. No. Salt inhibits some growth but doesn't destroy toxins, like cerulide or botulinum. Question: can I just smell leftovers to check safety? A. Odor is unreliable. Many toxins are odorless. Question: are glass containers safer than plastic? A. Glass withstands high reheat temps without leaching endocrine disruptors. Use BPA-free plastic only for cold storage. Chapter 5. Conclusion. Reheating food doesn't have to be risky. With mindful storage and gentle reheating techniques, seniors can dodge the hidden dangers of toxins that contribute to cancer and dementia. Share this guide with loved ones. Subscribe for weekly senior health tips. And comment below, which of these 5 foods surprised you the most?